What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Eddie and you're watching Overland E. On today's video, we're going to be changing out my cabin air filter. So I have a 2020 Toyota Tacoma, and I don't think it's ever been changed, to be honest with you. The current mileage on the truck is 30,000 miles. So I don't think it's ever been changed. And we're going to go ahead and get that done. I think it's one of the easiest things to do, and you can do it yourself. So don't be afraid. I know at times, there's certain things you don't think you can do or you're afraid to do because you don't want to do it wrong. But the best way of learning and trying something new is to actually go out there and get it done, do it, you learn from it, and you just improve whatever it is you're doing. You get better with time. So on my 2020 Tacoma, and I think any third gen Tacoma, the cabin air filter is found on the passenger side. So we're going to switch over to that side right now, and we're going to go into the glove box, and I'll show you right now where it's actually located. So once you come over to the passenger side, you're going to want to open up your glove box, take out anything that's in here, and right behind in the back, you're gonna see this cover right here, and it actually just says to lift up. There's a small edge here on the top end. You're gonna want to go ahead and push up and then pull back. So push up and pull back. So once you take that first cover off, you're gonna see this here, and it actually has two push clips, one here and one on this side. You're gonna want to go ahead and push to the center, push to the center, and this is going to drop down, and you're going to be able to see the cabin air filter right in this area. Now, like I said, I don't think it's ever been changed, so let's go ahead and bring this out. So definitely needed to be changed. We're going to go ahead and do that right now. So I went ahead and ordered this cabin air filter. It is by this brand, Cax. Found it on Amazon. Fairly cheap. I think it was maybe even under $12 or under $15. We're going to go ahead and open this up. A little hard doing it one-handed, but let's see, might have to put the camera down for this. So we have our new air filter nice and clean, and then we're just gonna go ahead and slide it into the slots, push it all the way back, and just do everything basically in reverse. So go ahead and get this here, pop that clip in, make sure that clips in, clip and clip, that's nice in. And then we're going to go ahead and get the cover going. You can notice there's a little groove here. You're going to want to align your cover there and then just push down on it. Alright guys, so that basically wraps up this video for today. Let me know, drop down in the comments if you've done it in the past, if this actually encouraged you, motivated you to go out and try it on your own. It's very easy, very simple. I encourage you to do it. Go ahead and take that leap of faith, that risk to go out there and try something new and save yourself some money. Alright guys, see you on the next one.